quick little video on how to replace the trim. I don't know actually what the name for this thing is. On a 2012 to whatever 16, 17. I'll look it up later. On the Honda CR-V. The fun part is you gotta take out that screw. That's an easy one. And then there is the tweeter here. You have to pop off and take out. There's 3 10mm nuts. One, this one's holding in the mirror, and this third one is here. And then pop out some plastic pieces. I'm gonna try to do it and not have to take off this. I took out the screws here to make it a little more room to flex, so I can get this looser, and to get the tweeter down there, the tweeter off from up and out. And the issue on this car is going to be, I have the rain guard. I'm not sure actually the term for that. The gutter guard, and you can see it goes here, but it doesn't actually attach to this. So I'm hoping I can flip this out from the bottom and slide it down enough to give it room where I can get this up and out of the way, so I can remove this. This is all theory because I haven't done it yet, but if it works, you'll be seeing this. Okay, so I had to get this loose enough to get slack. Where is it? To get the mirror out. You take these 2 screws out, take that screw out to get this clip undone. Then I got the mirror out. You take those screws out, and then you pop along the trim here with a plastic pry bar, and you can pop this thing out enough. In the top here, there's a lip that goes inside the door. You pop all those out, lift it up, and then you can angle it back here enough to get that right plastic connection clip free from the door. Then you can pull the mirror off. Then you see it's nice and free. Then you have plenty of room to get to this. And I gotta figure out where that goes. Anyways, I can get room to get this off. So just quick, this is what you're doing. That screw from that side comes out, and all these green clips go in, sort of see that channel. So they go in the body of the door, so they have to be popped up. So it's not the easiest thing. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little dinky one. So those have to be popped up to get this thing out. So here's it removed. Like I said, those things pop straight up. So a trick is, because that screw goes through there into the back of the trim, you need to move the trim away from this piece. So once I was able to kind of put a piece of plastic pry bar in there, then I got right around here where the first clip was able to pull straight up, and the rest of them just basically went like this. It came off pretty easy. You pop the top of the beer. Mm-hmm. All right. So in case you are like me and you take off the tweeter box connector plastic with the tweeter, I had this piece of metal clip fall off. And, it was inside of the or outside of the door frame, so it goes, as you can see, the other one. Will focus? Not really. There we go. It goes right there. So it's just a pressure fit on top of that. And the next mystery I got to figure out is where this thing was. Once I took off the door panel and flexed enough to get the cable out for the mirror, that thing was on the floor. So I'll figure out where that goes and then update you. Alright, so because of the gutter guard, the rain guard, whatever it's called, I have to twist this thing. I had to have the door shut, get the angle right underneath here, Then I open the door so I didn't scratch this with this part, and you can feed it up under the where's my hands? There you go. That peg. Focus. Yeah, that clip. That was the hardest part, getting that clip under this side of the mirror. Okay, and so once all that's done, this one like a champ. You just get the screw hole lined up, sort of like reverse way it comes out. The screw hole lined up, then just press the whole thing and down, and it's easy. So now all I have to do is pull the plastic trim off, connect this, get it all lined up because it said it fits into the window ridge. I guess the vent, it kind of clips in there and rests in there. So you go up, off, connect this, put it back in, and then press all around the edges to get it back into place. And then put the backing plates on and the tweeter, and then we're done.